It's often said that what makes New York bagels distinctively crispy, chewy, and flavorful is something only available in that city: the local water. To find out if that claim was true or merely an urban legend, we set up a test, pitting bagels made with water that we brought back from Brooklyn against those made with our local Boston water. So, how did they match up? Well, the vast majority of our taste testers found the two batches virtually identical. For due diligence, we then sent samples of the water from both sources to an independent lab to test for factors that might affect the dough's gluten and thus its texture. The only significant difference between the samples was their respective pH. The Brooklyn water was acidic at 5.48, while the Boston water was slightly basic at 7.34. But when we measured the pH of the two doughs after they fermented, that difference was negligible. That is good news for bagel lovers outside of New York, since it means that all anyone really needs to make a good bagel is a good recipe.